In this video, I will guide you how to fix yellow border around the screen on Windows 11. A yellow border around the screen is a Windows security feature to warn you that an app is capturing your screen. This is mainly to prevent unauthorized screen recording or hacking. Here is how to remove it. Open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Apps and Permissions. Click on Screenshot Borders. Enable Let Apps turn off the screenshot border. Enable Let Desktop Apps turn off the screenshot border. This should remove the yellow border. Apps like OBS Studio and Discord may also control this setting. If Windows Narrator is enabled, it may cause a yellow outline around elements on the screen. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings. Go to Accessibility. Click on Narrator. Turn it off if it's enabled. Another method is disable high contrast mode. Some high contrast themes may cause a yellow border. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings. Navigate to Personalization, Themes, Contrast Themes. From the drop-down menu, select None. This should reset any contrast-related border effects. Another method is to remove accent color from Windows borders. If you customized your theme, Windows might be displaying a yellow border. Open Settings by pressing Windows key plus I button. Go to Personalization, then Colors. Toggle off the option Show Accent Color on title bars in Windows borders. This will remove any border colors applied by Windows themes. Another method is to update display drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can sometimes cause display issues like yellow borders. Visit your PC manufacturer's website or your GPU manufacturer's website. Download and install the latest display drivers. Restart your system and check if the issue is resolved. That's it. You should now be able to remove the yellow border around your screen on Windows 11. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.